Welcome to our channel, guys. And today, we're doing unboxing! Wait, Chloe. Ayan, nasinakyan na. So, we have a package, guys, from CleanFan. Ayan, dalawa sila. So, ito muna yung malaki. Ayan, kikita nyo kung gano'n siya kalaki, diba? Kung kumasya to. Are you going to help me? Oh, go down na. Let's open it. So, unbox natin to, guys. Grabe, ang galante talaga ni CleanFan pagdating sa
I love it.
PR packaging. Sa PR package. Ayan. Open lang natin to. Oh, excuse me muna. Excuse me.
Oopsies.
Ayan. Let's open it. Oh, wait lang, wait lang.
I see something.
Go, open it. Oh. Open. Wow!
I got one.
Oh, nakita niya agad. So, for sure, this is the new product ni CleanFan. So, ito yung 4-in-1 baby body wash nila. Ayan, gentle for sensitive skin. May tear-free na rin siya, guys. Perfect sa mga newborn, sa babies talaga na may sensitive skin. Ang cute ng packaging. Grabe.
this?
You like it? You have so many, oh.
What is this?
It's a body wash.
With a bear on it.
Yeah, can you say thank you to CleanFan? Can you say,
Thank you.
say it to the camera?
Thank you, Clean.
Wow. And meron din ulit tayong kanilang CleanFan Quick Dry Diapers. Ayan, guys. Available to from newborn to 3XL or 4XL ata, I think. Basta ganun. So, si baby is 3XL na ngayon. Ayan.
What's here?
Ang ganda din ng diaper nito, guys, kasi quick dry siya and fast absorbent.
What else?
Ayan, lagay natin. Oh, let's see what's inside. So, ang daming diapers, dami nating stock. Oh, guys, meron din pala silang refill ng itong yung bottle. Grabe, parang siyang ang sarap. Ito yung bottle, ito naman yung refills. Yan. Ang ganda. Kasi, ang cute. Kasi meron din siyang parang bukasan. Nakatape nga lang siya. Pero ang ganda. Kasi sealable siya. I love it. Galing ni CleanFan dyan.
What's inside?
So, ang laman nito is parang puro
Para.
diaper and body wash lahat, guys. So, punta na tayo sa next box natin. Oh. Wow. Ayan, and abang-abang di kayo magpapag-giveaway tayo nito, guys. So, ito hindi pa ito naglo-launch, kaya secret muna to. Pero, ayan, magpapag-giveaway tayo kasi sobrang daming stocks na ni Chloe. And syempre, ano na tayo, parang overstock na rin eh. Pero thankful ako sa blessing. Thank you, Lord. Ayan.
Dig, mommy.
Ayan siya. Ang dami.
Yes, dig. Get us.
Yes, you're gonna dig. Ayan, guys. Wala na. Let's go to the second box. So, ito siya.
Dig. What's inside? Dig.
Ito, medyo maliit. Pero, malaki pa rin. Medyo maliit. Oh, can you help me? We're opening this one. Oh, open. What's in the box? Wow! So, inside the box are mga essentials. Ayan, kamote. So, we have antibacterial baby laundry detergent, guys. Ayan, may sabon ulit tayo. And, kanilang fabric softener. Ayan, favorite yan. Yan yung gamit ko sa mga damit ni Chloe. Grabe, ang dami. Ayan. Magbenta na rin kaya ako. Guys, nag-live selling ako sa TikTok. Follow nyo ako sa TikTok, Justin Creates. Ayan, ang daming video doon. May mga pa-discounts, pa-buy one, take one. Lahat ng promos nandun. Kaya, follow nyo ako, guys. And meron tayong mga naka-battle. Ayan, battle ba tawag dito? Basta nakaganito, guys. Wow! You have a baby laundry detergent. Good job! So dami! Ayan, full stock ulit tayo! Woo! Thank you so much, CleanFan! And that's it for our unboxing, guys. So, abang-abang tayo sa mga pag-giveaway namin, guys. Ayan. Kasi ang dami-dami na talaga. Ayun. Then, abangan nyo rin, guys, kasi gagawan ko to ng product review, ang bagong product ni CleanFan. Ayan, ang 4-in-1 baby body wash. Grabe, sobrang cute ng packaging. I love it. Sobrang nakaka-baby. Nakaka-bagets. For sure, mag-i-enjoy ang mga baby dito while
It's
naliligo.
not fill up.
Kasi ngayon pa nga lang, tuwang-tuwa na to. Oh.
It's not fill up.
Oh, it's not fill up daw. Ayan. Oh, fill up na. Go. Tama.
Ang dami.
Ang dami. Go, talk to the camera. Show your things.
Look at this. It's amazing. It's so perfect. And this pillow's awesome.
Oh, show it. Show to them.
Look at this pillow.
Go, talk to the camera.
And last, you gave me this, Dada.
What is
You
that?
find that.
What is that?
It's not fill up at all.
What is that?
I don't hear something
Do you
inside.
know what is that? It's a
Body wipes.
body wash. Good job.
Ang dami.
Again, say it.
Body. Ang dami.
Tawatin natin. Ang dami, no? Go, get it. Fill the box. Fill up the box. Oh.
Huh? They're on the right order. They're on the way. They're on the wrong order. On the wrong
Oh, it's in
order.
the wrong order. I'm so sorry. Here? Is this the
No.
right? Oh, this
Put
one.
it
And this one here. Is it right now?
here.
Perfectionist pala tong aking anak. No, pa-right, wrong order pa. Is that right now?
Yeah, I made my way to order.
Oh, good job. Ito daw ang right order niya. Oh. Kasi naka-rumble-rumble kanina. Pinatama sa akin. Ay, organized to. Go. Oh, show to them. What are you doing? Tell them.
I'm digging.
You're
I'm
digging.
digging from this berry. This on top. Ang dami.
Ang dami.
Yeah.
So dami, no? Clean Pat loves you.
Thank you, Clinton.
You look to the camera when say thank you.
Thank you, Clinton.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, may dance pa. Dali, show your dance. Thank you, Clean Pat. Thank you, Clean Pat.
Whoops.
Thank you, Clean Pat. Thank you, Clean Pat.
What's inside the diapers? What's behind the diapers?
Here pa, oh. No more na. It's just diaper. Oh, may isa dito. Ano to? Oh, bago din ni Clean Pan. The sunscreen, guys. Akala ko wala na. May pa-sunscreen pala sila. New ano din to. New product nila. Oh, may SPF 50 na rin siya. It's a baby sunscreen. UVA, UVB protection. Grabe, ang ganda. I-review kayo. Abang-abang, guys. Kasi i-full detail review
This is
natin
the
to. So,
90
follow niyo ako sa Instagram,
I just
TikTok,
want to
and
fill it
Facebook ko. Justin Creates lahat yan. Follow niyo ako, guys, para malaman niyo. Then, syempre, dun ko rin ipopost yung mga pag-giveaways natin. And ngayon pa lang, may ongoing giveaway ako. Pero, bago ko sabihin yung brand. Pero, check na lang sa social media ko. May ongoing giveaway ako. Bongga yun, guys. Yeah. Sali na. Oh, look. Is there more pa? It's just one lang ata yung sunscreen. Oh, diaper na to lahat. No more na. It's all sunscreen. Yay! Show it to the camera. Show your sunscreen.
Shake on it.
Yeah.
Swimming in the water.
Wow. Hello, water.
That's all. So, let's say bye-bye now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, this is Justin Creates, guys. Follow nyo ako and don't forget to hit the notification bell for updated guys sa mga new video ko and follow nyo ako sa aking social media accounts. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. Can you say bye na?
Bye.